am 34.
Ah, 34, so you have... Oh, you're single. Oh, you're kidding, huh? I don't believe.
Your course is in computer science?
Yes, we are computer science students. Ronald! Ang ginawa niyo sa CS7? Ang ginawa niyo
You
sa
put it,
7?
you take it with the scissor.
Ha?
Scissor is better.
Ready lang? Ano tayo, Sas?
Uy, tin nga, kausap ko to.
Ano daw? Ano?
Ha?
You take it with the scissor, scissor.
Caesar! Oh my God! My ears is bleeding!
Ang
tangin na
May gunting, te. May gunting daw pag sa upo mo ka. She used nail cutter, not scissor, to cut her nail. Where's smile? Where's smiling? You're happy? No happy? Why?
I want girl.
You want girlfriend? Oh, she's single.
Sabihin mo si Christy.
Ah, she's single too, and she's fighting me.
Pag sabi mo, te. Di mo naintindihan sinabi niya?
No girlfriend.
No girlfriend.
Oh my God, your boy. Ika! Ika!
Oh.
Pagkingin nama! Ay, malaminan!
You're only 34 years old, but you don't have. Oh my God.
No boys, no.
Dahil,